everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about 5 ways to be better looking instantly. In this video, I'll be going over 5 simple things that you can do to be instantaneously better looking. These are easy, simple things that you can do that will improve your look almost immediately. With that being said, let's get right into the video. Number 1, the first thing that you can do to be better looking instantly is to be confident. There is a level of confidence that you can achieve right now by understanding that you are absolutely great. You have so many gifts to offer the world. You have so many things that you can offer to the world, to everyone else around you, to everything else around you. And if you understand that, then you're going to be a confident person. And confidence makes someone look better instantaneously just by being confident, not changing a single thing about the way that you look, okay? Not changing a single thing about what you're wearing. Just by being confident in itself, that is probably the most effective way to become better looking instantly and immediately. Number 2, smile. Smiling is one of the best things that you can do to become better looking, to seem better looking instantly. It's important to smile because it sends a vibe to people. Now you see, our bodies are filled with so many different things. And when we smile, we actually use certain muscles that send signals to other people inside of them innately that is going to make them more happy. So when you smile, you're going to make the person more happy. You're going to make them happier, okay? And that's why you're going to immediately become better looking, because if you're making them happier, then obviously they're going to think that you are better looking right away, absolutely immediately. Number 3, the third thing that you can do, the third way to be better looking instantly is to be your best self. You want to make sure that you are trying your absolute best to do your best and be your best self every day. That means doing everything in your power within your 24 hours in the day to be the best human being that you can possibly be, okay? It means doing everything. It means taking the route that is oftentimes more difficult. Like I said in many different videos, everybody wants to relax on the couch, but the people that are being their best selves are the ones that are spending the time with their family on the couch, but also making sure to stay healthy, go to the gym, eat healthy, work out, take care of their finances, look after their income, look after their relationships. If you put effort into the main areas of life that many people focus on, you will be your best self. And by being your best self, you're actually going to improve on the other 2 factors that I spoke about as well, which is to smile. You're going to smile more when you're your best self, and you're actually going to be more confident when you're your best self as well. Number 4, do what you love. Everybody has a passion or many passions. You have to do what you love, whatever it is. If you love video games, make sure you play video games because they're going to make you happy, they're going to make you more confident, and they're just what you love doing. So play them, okay? If you love golf, play golf. If you love movies, watch movies. Do what you love while still taking care of the things that you need to take care of to be your best self. But make sure that you do what you love as often as you possibly can. Now, those things obviously should not dominate your life. I mean, if you're playing video games and your house is a mess, then that's a problem. You want to make sure to be your best self while still doing what you love. Last but not least, number 5, the 5th way to be better looking instantly is to go the extra mile when choosing your outfit. Every day you wake up, you have to choose your outfit. And I'm not saying to wear things that you don't want to wear, because that's not what it's all about. What I am telling you to do is just go the extra mile when choosing your outfit. If you're wearing clothes that don't fit you properly, make sure that you get them tailored or wear them in a different way so that they look like they fit you properly, okay? If you're wearing a shirt that has a stain on it, choose a different shirt that doesn't have a stain on it. Just go the little extra mile. Take the additional 1 single step to actually choosing your outfit and making your outfit work for you. And it's not about wearing things that you don't want to wear. If you don't like wearing a suit, then wear your t-shirt and your jogging pants and your sneakers. But just take the 1 extra step into making yourself look good with regards to how you're dressing. Put the little bit of extra effort into how you're dressed, and you will immediately, instantaneously be better looking. And that's basically it. In this video, I've gone over 5 ways to be better looking instantly. They're 5 simple things that you can do that will make you a better looking person right Now, if you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.